Julie?
For sure. Actually, I agree with Gadara now when he says that we're too focused on the politics of the day and the politics of general election is coming up and all that stuff. And we forget social justice and social injustice, which is what is holding this. Basically, the microcosm of our society is how we relate and what happens to people on a day-to-day basis. And we're kind of focusing on an elite, a ruling elite, at the expense of millions and millions of Kenyans, which is actually a flaw for the media. We should expand. And actually saw the other day, the drama festivals are also going on at the currently, or are about to start, and nobody has mentioned.
They are going on, actually.
They're going anything apart from NASA and Jubilee.
Yeah, sure.
So I do think we need to focus on the people of Kenya also, and the things that they are going through, the cost of living, their health issues, these kind of domestic and defilement issues. Because if you read the paper, they're like probably 4 or 5 defilement briefs that are published every single day.
There's somebody who killed his wife yesterday because they didn't bring ugali on time. I mean, there's all sorts of things happening.
Sorts of things happening, but we kind of like gloss over them because we're focused on flag bearers and all that stuff.